Fact: in medieval Europe, people believed that sneezes could expel the soul from the body, leaving it vulnerable to evil spirits. To protect against this, the custom of saying "God bless you" originated as a way to safeguard the sneezer's soul. Another superstition held that sneezing was an omen of illness, especially during outbreaks of the plague. The fear surrounding sneezes was so strong that they were often followed by prayers or rituals to ward off misfortune. Over time, the practice of saying "bless you" became a widespread cultural tradition, long after the original superstitions faded. Subscribe for more freshly packaged facts.